Hello and welcome students to the first explanatory video of your English literature book. We are going to cover the first chapter, that is Tom Sawyer's Toothache. This chapter has been written by Mark Twain. Mark Twain was an American writer and a humorist. His most popular novels are The Adventures of Tom Sawyer and its sequel, The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn, which were released in the year 1876 and 1885 respectively. This chapter is about a little boy of 8 to 9 years old, so I think people are going to relate yourself very easily with it. So without much ado, let's move further into the video and read the story.
Monday mornings usually weren't very pleasing for Tom Sawyer. He felt that Mondays were problematic and always felt miserable. He lay in the bed thinking if he could find any reason to stay away from school. He tried to feel his body, if he could find any ailment or pain, but found none. He found some colicky symptoms, but they soon vanished. Then, all of a sudden, he realized that his upper front tooth was loose. He considered it lucky and was about to begin to groan out of pain. But then only he remembered that if he would cry due to the pain of loose tooth, Aunt Polly would pull it out and it would hurt more. So he pretended that he had a sore toe. He thought it was a better idea and he started groaning loudly, pretending that he was in a lot of pain. He waited for Sid to wake up and give him attention, but he continued to sleep. He got irritated by this and woke him up by calling him. When Sid woke up, he saw Tom groaning out of pain and he inquired about the matter. As soon as Tom told him that he was in pain due to his sore toe, he at once jumped out of his bed and went to Aunt Polly to call her into Tom's room to see what's the matter. He came down and informed Aunt Polly about Tom's misery, and he told that Tom is dying out of pain. Petrified by listening his words, Aunt Polly immediately went upstairs. On reaching to the room, Aunt Polly asked Tom Sawyer about his problem. He told Aunt Polly that his sore toe is feeling numb. Aunt Polly laughed at such a confusing problem that Tom was going through, and she immediately understood that he was pretending. She sank into the chair laughing. Tom felt foolish and told the truth about his loose tooth. Aunt Polly then told him that though his tooth is loose, he is not going to die due to it and he should stop pretending. She asked Mary to bring a silk thread and a chunk of fire from the kitchen. She also scolded Tom for being so mischievous and offensive. Now the dental instruments were ready. Aunt Polly tied one end of the silk thread to the bedpost and other end to Tom's tooth with a loop. Then she seized the chunk of fire and brought it near Tom's face. Suddenly, Tom jumped backward to save himself. The tooth got pulled out due to the jerk and was left dangling by the bedpost now. His loose tooth had finally come out. Now, Tom had no option but to get ready and to go to school. He ate breakfast and left for school. Nevertheless, it was a memorable experience for him. He showed his tooth to his buddies in the school. That was all about the story. I hope you people liked it. Thank you for watching and stay safe.